Magando, umaga, como está everybody? This is Scott Expat in the Philippines. Well, we are, yes, in summer. But have a look out there. Been raining all night. Oh wow, not bad. Good day to catch up on some videos. I'm actually watching now. My good friend, Texas Filipino, and his video called Man on a Mission. Great videos, Texas Filipino, James and Mel. Love watching your videos. Love watching and seeing your day-to-day goings on building your home. It is gonna look smashing. It looks awesome, I reckon. And you know, you learn new things every day in the Philippines. You've got to be patient, which is part of life. You just got to be patient. You've got to be patient with your workers, and because they do know how to build houses, and you know, you can learn more from them, and they can also learn more from you too as well when building houses. So it's great to see the way you interact with your staff and the way you treat them. I think it's awesome, mate. I really do. They've been great videos. I can't wait to see the new one. The rained out one, mate, that was smashing. If I was back home, I'd be doing the same thing. Only my wife's a little bit superstitious. She doesn't like for me being out in the rain. So, you know, you look at it that way. You got Mel, and she loves running in the rain and having fun in the rain, and that James and you both do, and I think that is smashing. It's just unbelievable. But you know, unfortunately, we've got rain here. Look, wow, awesome! It's great, actually. It's good for the garden. I'll still be in credit with the cancel for our rain, for our water, sorry. For our rain. Silly me. Told you I make mistakes. I got up this morning, went to put my slippers on, my Chinooks that do up. Hang on, I'll turn you over to me, guys. I went to put my Chinooks on. Look, broken. The middle piece is broken. OMFG. We're actually heading up to Aldi. Better watch it. I don't want to run up the tail with this car. I want to put my shoes on. But it looks like I've got a... They're alright. They sit on my feet, which is good. But a little middle clip, which is like that, in there, is broken. I just put my foot in it, just snapped. So, excuse me. I'm off to get some butter. I went to Coles yesterday. I couldn't get up near the butter and the refrigerators because, oh my god, the workers were stocking the shelves and couldn't get past there, so oh well, never mind. But Aldi have their butter a lot more cheaper, which is good. You can get butter from Coles. We usually get Western Star because I love Western Star butter, and it tastes like butter. unlike the other butters, tastes like margarine. So, but you can buy the smaller tubs of Western Star. They're about that big, about that long. They're about $5, and the bigger ones are around about $6. So, save by buying two, which should cost me around about $10. So it's not too bad. Oh, this rain is so beautiful this morning. It is just pouring down, as you can hear. Oh, hi Andy, big shout out to Andy Tugging Containers. Watched a couple of yours. I've still got to watch some more, mate. Okay. Big shout out to William and Chick, John and Roma. Big shout out to Chris Beecham and Rona Lynn and CJ. Big shout out to you guys. Also big shout out to Steve, Rona Lynn and Baby Jack. Big shout out to Brad and Karen and Jack. Big shout out to Judy Fisher. Big shout out to Franceschi channel. That's alright, I'll park out in the rain. I'm only going in to get butter anyway. Yeah, so it's one of those days today. I know what we're going to do. Can't do much, can't go out very far. As like the zoo and stuff like that, can't do that. It's raining, it's a waste of time. So we might just kick back, have a look at a few videos, try and keep CJ entertained, and pretty well much entertains himself, and he loves having fun. So we might pop around to some friends later. We'll see what happens. I'll be back soon.